These are the 3 pieces of the set that we got. Today we are going to do an unboxing video or equipment review for the cookware set consisting of 3 pans which we brought from potsandpans.in. The pans are of Meyer Forgestone brand. This is also sold in the US as Analon and other brands. Now we are opening the box. So they have packed it nicely with bubble packs. And this is the bill which we got, 5,575 with tax. What we have here is the lightweight Forgestone frying pan, 20 centimeters or 8 inches, which is non-stick. These people have products in Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, Italy, Japan, Singapore, UK and USA. The body is cold forged aluminum. It has an induction base, warp resistant induction base, and ridges on the non-stick interior. And it also has a guarantee. And it is PFOA free, lead free and cadmium free, increasing the safety of the cooked food. Now we can open the pan. Next, what we have got is the Forgestone saucepan, 16 centimeters or 1.9 liters capacity. Lightweight. Similarly, it has all the features which we mentioned earlier. This is also a cold forged aluminum body with no lead, PFOA or cadmium, same as the other one. Now the handle is heat resistant, the edges are reinforced, thick. It has a heat tempered glass lid and a stainless steel induction base. Now packing is quite nice. As this is also Forgestone with an induction base, rigid induction base, stainless steel with ridges inside and a thickened edge. It also has a heat tempered glass lid, so we have to close the lid. So the next one is the Forgestone Saucepan, which is 24 centimeters, 2.8 liters. This is also lightweight with the same lead, cadmium and PFO free substance, aluminum forged body. This is the Saucepan, which is around 24 centimeters diameter. This also has a thickened edge with ridged non-stick and a stainless steel induction base. It is supposed to be safe to cook as it is cadmium PFOA free. It has a heat tempered lid. These are the three pieces that we got as a set for 5,575. We are testing the Forgestone frying pan and see how it stands daily use. We are frying mango fritters in the frying pan. After using, we cleaned the pan and it's very easy to clean and cleaned well. The base also did not get any burns and handled the heat well. So on the whole, the pan was a success in testing. These are the three pieces of the set that we got. All three pieces cost us 5,575 Indian rupees. They also sell kitchenware in the US as Analon brand and other brands.